How to boost testosterone levels, natural and effective ways. Poor or weak testosterone levels can lead to health issues including osteoporosis risk, changes to sleep patterns, libido, sexual function, and emotions. Thus, it is crucial that both men and women maintain a healthy hormonal balance and have healthy levels of testosterone through the years. Although it's important to bring in good diet and lifestyle measures to improve your health overall, here are some naturally effective ways and measures to maintain adequate testosterone levels as you age. 1. Engage in weightlifting and training. Not only is exercise one of the most effective means of making a difference to your lifestyle, but it can also combat poor testosterone balance in the body. Studies have found that increased physical activity, particularly forms of resistance training such as weightlifting, can be a good way to boost testosterone in the short and long term. Another form of exercise which could be helpful in HIIT, high-intensity interval training. Start by being consistent and regular in your routine, and dedicate some time every day to these training regimes. 2. Have a good balance of protein, fat, and carbs in your diet. It is important to remember that what we eat impacts our hormonal functioning and well-being. Therefore, the diet we follow also majorly impacts testosterone balance. For optimum levels, pay attention to your total calorie intake, the concentration of nutritive values, so as to ensure that you have enough proteins, fats, vitamins, carbs, and antioxidants in your everyday diet. Some nutrients, such as healthy carbs and fats, have been particularly shown to optimize testosterone levels with a good workout. Constant dieting or changing diets may not be a wise idea, as it can disturb functioning and may not benefit you in the long run. Do not overeat as well. 3. Alleviate stress levels. Stress is detrimental to good health, and we all know that well. Similarly, high stress levels could also disbalance your testosterone levels in the body and impose problems. High stress could lead to a release of cortisol in the body. High cortisol levels can quickly lower testosterone levels and negatively impact you. Poor stress management could also impact your weight, mental health, and gut function. Thus, as a rule, try to instill and incorporate some form of self-care and therapeutic management to alleviate stress and cortisol levels from unproportionally rising. Get good sleep, have a healthy diet, exercise, and most importantly, be happy and calm.
If you're enjoying, like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps my work a lot. And don't forget to activate the bell to receive all notifications. Thanks.
4. Increase the intake of vitamin D. Of all vitamins, a deficiency of vitamin D is associated with a lot of lifestyle disorders and health risks, including poor testosterone levels. Preliminary research has now shown that vitamin D can work as a natural hormone regulator and boost testosterone levels in the body and improve multiple health parameters. While a lot of us are considered to be deficient in this healthy vitamin, it is important to manage it well. Spend some time outdoors in the sunshine, add vitamin D-rich foods or supplements if necessary. 5. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep without fail. The benefits of getting good hours of sleep every day is highly underestimated. Not only does good sleep keep you recharged and energized, being well rested and sleeping well also ensures your testosterone levels are never off balance. To ensure that you don't encounter any deficiencies with testosterone or other hormones, prioritize getting at least 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep every day. Keep digital gadgets away, avoid interruptions, and maintain good sleep hygiene. 6. Regulate hormonal function and improve lifestyle. Apart from improving your diet and exercising, there are several other ways to regulate hormonal function and boost testosterone levels. Having a healthy sex life, for example, is a great booster for testosterone function. As a precaution, try and limit your exposure to estrogen-like chemicals, which are present in some products, such as plastic. Excess alcohol, drug and tobacco usage should also be minimized to maintain a healthy, happy lifestyle.
If you liked the video, save it to your phone and share it with your friends. And for more curiosity about the human body, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.